Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering.
Up, me and more gang. It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I post a new video. Starting this video off setting the mood, I'm playing a Christmas movie, and I actually have to go back and watch it because I was just having it on for background. But this is the Christmas tree that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking it out the box, giving y'all a little unboxing. And these are the legs, and this is another view of the Christmas tree before I fluff it out and put the legs on. As y'all can see, the tree is green, and I thought I had some of that spray on snow, and I don't have any, so I'm gonna have to do a little DIY. I have this linen white chalk spray paint, so I will be using this. I'm gonna spray on the tree. I'll go ahead and fluff it out before I spray paint it. So this is the tree fluffed out. Okay, so that's the bigger tree, and that's the shorter tree. This is how much, you know, of a difference it is. A good quality tree. I'm about to jazz it on up. I had said I was gonna put this in my room, but I had initially bought it to put beside that tree. But I really think I might just put it right there. We'll see. So this is what the tree looks like right now. I just try to like spread it out all over. that wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.